Welcome to Part 2. 11. The spleen and the immune system, the body's defense army. Our bodies are constantly exposed to microbes, but there's a powerful army inside us fighting them, the immune system. One of its key centers is the spleen, an organ on the left side of the abdomen that filters out old or damaged blood cells and stores white blood cells. Alongside it, lymph nodes throughout the body act like security checkpoints, monitoring for viruses. When the body encounters a virus, white blood cells spring into action, create antibodies, and destroy the invader. Vaccination is essentially a way to train this immune system in advance, so it's ready for future threats. 12. The urinary system, the path of waste removal. Urine is the result of the kidneys filtering the blood. From the kidneys, urine travels through the ureters to the bladder, where it's stored until it exits through the urethra. This system removes toxins and maintains the body's fluid balance. If infection or stones develop along this path, symptoms include flank pain, burning during urination, or fever. Drinking enough water is the best defense. 13. Glands and hormones. The body's chemical messengers. Inside the body, there's a hidden system that sends messages without wires, the endocrine system. Glands produce hormones that affect everything from growth and mood to sleep and metabolism. Some key glands. Thyroid regulates metabolism and energy. Pituitary controls other glands. Adrenal releases adrenaline and cortisol for stress response. Pancreas produces insulin to control blood sugar. Sex glands regulate reproduction and sexual characteristics. Even a small imbalance in this system can disrupt the body's overall harmony. 14. The reproductive system, the secret of life's continuation. Men and women have different reproductive organs, but their shared purpose is the same, the continuation of human life. In women, ovaries produce eggs and estrogen. The uterus is where the fetus grows during pregnancy. The cervix and vagina form the passageway for childbirth and intercourse. In men, testes produce sperm and testosterone. The prostate produces seminal fluid. The penis delivers sperm during fertilization. These systems are hormone-controlled, and their health greatly affects both mood and overall body function. 15. The five senses, our windows to the world. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin, our five gateways to experience the world. Eyes capture light. The retina forms images that the brain interprets. Ears receive sounds and help maintain balance. Nose provides smell and filters the air we breathe. Tongue detects taste and helps with speech. Skin senses touch, heat, and pain. All these senses connect to the brain and work together so we can perceive and interact with our surroundings. 16. Blood, the river of life. Blood is like a river flowing through the body, carrying nutrients, oxygen, and hormones everywhere and returning waste for removal. At any moment, about 5 liters of blood circulate in the body. The yellowish plasma is the liquid part, composed of about 90% water. Without blood circulation, no cell could survive. 17. The lymphatic system, the body's cleansing network. Alongside blood vessels runs a delicate network called the lymphatic system. A fluid called lymph flows through it, collecting waste and microbes. Lymph nodes act as filters and prevent infections from spreading. That's why when you're sick, the lymph nodes in your neck may swell. It's a sign of the body's internal battle. 18. Bone marrow and blood formation. Inside certain bones, especially the pelvis and ribs, there's a soft, reddish tissue called bone marrow. It's the birthplace of red and white blood cells and platelets. Every day, billions of new blood cells are produced to keep the body ready and resilient. 19. Body balance cooperation between all systems. Our body works like a city, where each department has its own job but stays connected to the others. The heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, skin, and liver all operate in coordination. The brain commands, the heart pumps, the kidneys filter, the lungs supply oxygen, and the skin protects. If even one system fails, the others suffer. For example, lack of sleep tires the brain, disrupts hormones, speeds up the heart, and weakens immunity. Everything is interconnected. Caring for the body, respecting the most complex machine on Earth. The human body is the most extraordinary machine ever created, but like any machine, it needs care. A few simple but vital habits can increase both lifespan and quality of life. 1. Adequate, regular sleep. 7-9 hours. Restores the brain and muscles, regulates hormones, and allows cells to repair. 2. Healthy, balanced nutrition. Eating vegetables, fruits, whole grains, fish, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients. Avoiding excess sugar and unhealthy fats reduces strain on the heart, liver, and kidneys. 3. Regular physical activity. Combining aerobic and strength exercises strengthens muscles, bones, and the heart, and improves circulation. Even daily walking helps. 4. Stay hydrated. Water is vital for all chemical reactions and nutrient transport. Drinking enough supports the kidneys, skin, and digestion. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, weakening immunity and the heart. Breathing exercises, meditation, and relaxing activities are helpful. 6. Regular screenings and checkups. Monitoring blood pressure, sugar, cholesterol, and organ health prevents serious diseases. 7. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight strains the heart, joints, and digestive system and increases disease risk. 8. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Tobacco and excessive alcohol damage the lungs, heart, brain, and raise cancer risk. 9. Take care of skin, eyes, and teeth. Sunscreen, regular checkups, and good hygiene prevent long-term damage. 10. Listen to your body's signals. Pain, swelling, color changes, shortness of breath, or bleeding are warning signs. Never ignore them. Your body always communicates through its symptoms. Final summary. The human body is an astonishing, dynamic, and incredibly complex system. From the smallest unit, the cell, to the largest organs and systems, everything works together in harmony. The skin protects and provides touch. Bones and muscles give shape and movement. The heart and lungs sustain life through circulation and oxygen. The brain and nerves command and coordinate. The liver, kidneys, and pancreas handle metabolism, filtration, and digestion. The immune and endocrine systems protect and maintain balance. The reproductive system and 5 senses make life and experience possible. By living a healthy lifestyle with good sleep, nutrition, exercise, and stress management, we can keep this extraordinary system strong for many years. Ultimately, every breath you take, every heartbeat, every movement, and every thought is a testament to the wonder and harmony of your body. Your body is a living masterpiece. Respect it and take care of it. Support us with your subscriptions, likes, and encouraging comments so we can keep creating with even more passion and purpose. Every thought you share means the world to us.